Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got in stock for you this MG ZS Exclusive 1.5 manual gearbox. Really nice car. Came off a nice customer as well, so it's nice in metallic blue, which is called Copenhagen blue. In this video I'll be walking you around the car, showing you any wear and tear on it and the mileage on this car. To start off with, we got these automatic LED headlights with daytime running lights as well. We got front fog lights. This car comes with 360 camera. We got a camera in front just under the MG logo there. Coming to the right hand side of the car, we got 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is really nice. As you can see, got silver trim on there. You got roof railings on top, along with your panoramic roof and a sunroof as well for the driver and passenger. Really nice. The second camera just under the wing mirror there on either side as well. Got a keyless entry on this car, silver door handles. The second alloy there, not been touched or anything. Coming to the rear, we got LED tail lamps, reverse parking sensors, along with the reverse camera just under the number plate there. As you can see, you get plenty of room in the boot. You do have your tire repair kit under there. If you want to put a spare tire in there, you're very welcome. Also, you got 60/40 split side fold, which is a leather interior as well, and do have ISOFIX settings on both the sides. Coming to the third wheel, it's really nice. As you can see, you got leather interior, ISOFIX settings on both the sides. You do have dual USBs down there and a storage space. You've got tons of storage space in there for your big bottles as well. And your fourth alloy just down there. So yeah, I'll jump in and we'll show you interior on this car and the miles on it as well. So you've got all 4 automatic windows along with the locking system up there. Tons of storage space in the door. You do have electric door windows as well. And you got electric driver's side seat, which is heated for driver and passengers too. So the car's done 20,677 miles, which is nothing. It's nice and brand new outside. You got auto headlights, you got cruise control there, you got auto wipers as well. Your wing mirror functions just down there, they do fold all the way. You got a nice TFT touchscreen up here with navigation as standard on this car. It's nice and quick responsive. It does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you got the FM, AM, DAB and Bluetooth hands-free function as well, which is nice. Just show the aircon function. You do have heated seats, like I mentioned, the driver and passenger. Let me just zoom it on there. There we go. The passenger and driver, which is nice. Alternately, you can use this function on these buttons up here without wanting to touch the screen while driving. A couple of USBs down there with your 12-volt socket, some storage space for your phone. You got your hill descent mode if your drive has got ice on it or during winter. Traction control, a 360 camera. So I'm going to show you just now. So you get all 4 cameras. So the left, right, front and rear, which is nice. You can do this in 3D as well. You can see the car, and a couple more appear on this side as well. As you can see, it maps out everything. So yeah, the car's here with us. We'll leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.